North Korean dictator Kim Jong-un has become a visible global presence over the last few years. But in the last week, he's completely disappeared from public view, and rumors have started to swirl that he may be seriously ill or even dead. On April 15, Kim didn't appear at a celebration commemorating North Korea's most important holiday, which honors the founder of the country, Kim's late grandfather. State-run media, oddly, hasn't published any photos of a recent weapons test, which typically show the leader watching in approval, and official statements from the country have curiously lacked any direct comments on Kim's health. All of this has led to rampant media speculation that the 36-year-old Kim is recovering from a major surgery or gravely ill or even dead, and a flurry of activity by United States intelligence to figure out what, if anything, is really going on in the country. Meanwhile, North Korean media outlets have kept mum about the swirling rumors and continue to act as if life in the Hermit Kingdom is proceeding as usual. But Kim's health may even be fine. The coronavirus has impacted the country and the dictator may be taking precautions to avoid infection. Plus, North Korea's culture of secrecy means rumors can run rampant regardless of how far-fetched they may be. But Kim is known to be in poor health. He's obese, he's a cigarette smoker, and he is believed to have severe gout. So when a South Korean outlet run by North Korean defectors insinuated Kim's absenteeism might be because of post-surgery complication, the plausibility helped make it a global story. It's important to note that no country, including the two Koreas, China or the US, has officially confirmed the status of the dictator's health one way or the other. Kim Jong-un may be gravely ill or even be in good health, but the question arises, who will replace Kim Jong-un as the North Korean leader? North Korea has never announced who would follow leader Kim Jong-un in the event he is incapacitated. With no details about his young children, analysts say his sister and loyalists could form a regency until a successor is old enough to take over. The leader's sister, believed to be 31, has firm control of key party functions, setting herself to the main source of power behind a collective leadership. Kim Jong-un is believed to have 3 children, with the youngest born in 2017, according to the South's National Intelligence Service. The oldest is a 10-year-old son, meaning any of the 3 would need the assistance of the relatives or political guardians if they were ever to become a 4th-generation hereditary leader. Kim Yo-jong, who is the sister, is unlikely to take over the helm but could help build a caretaker regime as power broker until the kids grow up. Other key figures who are eligible include the party elders like North Korea's nominal head of state, Politburo members, and former state premier. But these people are most unlikely to replace the supreme leader of the country. Kim's brother Kim Jong-chol could also be next in power. However, he has already been passed over once when their father chose Kim as the next in line to serve. What we all need is the fascist North Korean regime to end. But for that, the right person has to be chosen as the leader, and it all depends on the health of Kim Jong-un. Some latest reports suggest that Kim Jong-un is dead, while South Korea suggests that he is alive and well. A famous Japanese magazine added that Kim Jong-un is in a vegetative state. It's clear that there is something going wrong with Kim Jong-un. China has also dispatched a team to North Korea, including medical experts, to advise on Kim Jong-un, according to 3 people familiar with the situation. The trip by Chinese doctors and officials comes amid conflicting reports about the health of North Korean leader. The US has said that there is no suspicious military movement or activities going on in North Korea. Amid conflicting reports about Kim's health, it's hard to say what's really going on with him. It will only be clear if and when North Korean government or the central media releases a statement on Kim's health. But until then, all the reports are just rumors. What do you think is going on in the country? Comment down, what do you think will happen if Kim Jong-un dies? Will the country end its fascist regime or continue to be a hermit kingdom? Until then, stay safe. Subscribe, share and like this video. See you next time. Bye.